What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're working on 240 today, hopefully figuring out these problems so I can drive the car more. Hopefully you guys can see me clear and hear me pretty well. I'm using the new camera setup, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know, is there anything else I need to do? Let me know if you guys are liking this or you guys want me to go back to the old setup. So right now we're gonna open up the access to the fuel tank to see if the leak's coming from there. I don't really want to go underneath the car right now because I'm just lazy, but we'll see. Alright, so I just opened up the cover for the fuel pump and I am gonna go on a test drive real quick to see where the actual fuel is coming from. So hopefully they'll start spilling out. I'll see you guys when I come back from the drive. As you guys saw from the last clip, I was trying to drive the car a little so you guys can see the leak where it's coming from, and pretty much the whole tank is like covered. I don't think it's from the hoses because those look pretty dry, but I think it might be from the actual seal. As you guys can see, like, it is bad. Like, it's everywhere. So what's up, guys? Different day, but still working on 240. So ordered the gasket stuff, so hopefully it'll fix my problem, but we'll see. So I don't know if this is a stock fuel pump, but that looks pretty new. But look at this seal. So it doesn't even sit flush on there anymore. So huge problems. That took way longer than expected. That one hose was extremely hard. It was already breaking, so I didn't want to fully break it, but we got it on there now, and we can go on a test drive again. Nice. So no leaks happening now. Super excited. Fixed my problem, because that was bad. I was leaking more than I was using up, and that's bad. So now it's good. one problem out of the way. Next would be to attack the alignment on this thing because it pulls to one side. So another little thing that bothered me, I don't know if I ever told you guys, is that so the turn signal, it goes extremely fast. You know what that means? Like one of your bulbs are dying or your connection's bad. And for the longest, I thought it was a broken bulb, but literally the connector wasn't even connected. So saved me a couple bucks. Super excited. So what's up, guys? Thank you for watching it this far. I just want to say, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys feel about this new camera setup. Pretty much, I'm gonna add a little clip at the end as a gift for staying this long into the video. Till next time, peace.